We're just a few days away from launching ConDoc 4.8, and I want to give you a quick sneak peek of one of our new features, ConDoc Lite. Now, what's so cool about ConDoc Lite, it's a new drawing set that works with any model, with any layers, and any model organization. So basically, you can layer it and group it any way you like, and ConDoc will automate beautiful professional drawings. Let me show you. I'm going to head over to the 3D warehouse and check out this H2H master bathroom Roswell. I'll click on the download button and download this SketchUp 2020 model. Now here it is open in SketchUp, and the first thing that I always do is click the design button because that puts me into this lightweight, snappy SketchUp environment. It's the first thing that ConDoc is going to automate for me. Now let's take a look at the designer's layer list and check out all these different layers. Looks like some of them came from CAD. Some of them are just kind of literal like countertop and drawers. I can see some things turning on and off here, but you know what? I'm just going to turn everything back on, and it would appear that there's this one layer called open. And if I turn open off, it's going to make my bathroom look the way I want it to look in my interior elevations. So the idea here is that whatever state your layers are in, ConDoc will snapshot. Watch this. I'm going to activate the elevation tool and then click on this wall. Now I can choose from all these different visual styles. We have CAD, sketch, and color interior elevations. I'm going to go with a color interior elevation and just work around the model, and I'll just click again on this wall here and go with a color interior elevation, and I'll click on this wall over here and we'll get another color interior elevation, and then I'll click on this last wall. Even though it doesn't show a whole lot, it's pretty easy just to get one last color interior elevation. And notice what was happening at the top of my screen. Each one of these scenes is being named and numbered. All right, so check it out. We've got color interior elevation 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're in good shape. Now, I can always click on the design button to get back to this kind of lightweight, snappy SketchUp environment. The last thing I want to do here is create a floor plan. I'll activate my plan generator and check it out. We've got a CAD floor plan with or without fill. We've got a sketch floor plan and a color floor plan. And if I keep scrolling down, we can do overhead plans in that same CAD sketch or color. And we even have reflected ceiling plans. But for this particular model, it doesn't really have a ceiling. So we're just going to go with a color floor plan fill. And I'll click Setup Project. And that's going to drop a section cut, pick a style, and create a scene and name it. And check it out. I'll close my plan generator and look at this plan. There is a color plan just like that. I can always click Design to get back to that snappy 3D environment. Now, that's great that ConDoc can automate scenes, but what I really need are drawings that I can print. Let's make some. I'll click on the ConDoc Export button. The ConDoc Export dialog allows me to kick all of these different scenes over into layout at a specific scale. I think 1/4 inch is going to work great for this project. I'll click Send to Layout and we'll save our model. In Layout, I'm going to click on the File dropdown and choose New. If I head over to the My Templates tab, you can see the 7 professional title blocks that are automatically installed with ConDoc. I'm going to choose a Presentation 8.5 by 11 landscape. You can find your ConDoc drawings in the Scrapbooks Inspector under ConDoc Drawings. Once here, all I have to do is click and drag to place my drawings. Advance to the next page, click and drag, and I get my next drawing. Advance to the next page and drag and drop each one of these guys in to build my set. All right, then next I'm going to add a page. I'm going to go to the last page of my ConDoc drawings and click and drag my color floor plan with a fill. Perfect. Now I'm going to flip over here to our ConDoc annotation scrapbook. All these resources get installed automatically with ConDoc. Now here I can head over and pick some drawing titles. I can even add some different callouts and symbols. And if I head back over to this other page, I can add the same things over here like this. And it just becomes a matter of filling out all this information to create a very professional set of drawings. Look at that. So we give you all of the annotations and palettes and callouts, even some crowdsourced 2D people and schedules. So you can see that ConDoc Lite will automate anyone's model with any layers and any model organization. Now keep in mind that we do still have ConDoc Architect and ConDoc Interiors. So if you get on board with our layering system and our model organization, there's a lot of added benefits. But the bottom line is that we've created this new solution as an easy entry to the idea of creating a 3D model and generating your 2D drawings. And ConDoc will automate it.